Alright, so today we're going to learn how to propane torch a rabbit cage. Alright, stay with me. Hey, so we're hooking up this blowtorch to the propane tank, and I just want to make sure there's not a leak. It should just be hand tight, but all you have to do is put a little soapy water on the connection, and then if there is bubbles, then it is loose. Can you see the bubbles? Come up here closer. See all these different bubbles that are coming out? All right, so that's how you can tell that it's a little bit loose, and you can also obviously smell it. So I'm going to close this off, and we're going to tighten this up, and then we'll be ready to go. Hey, so basically you just put on some of this pipe thread sealant. You can use pipe tape. I prefer this stuff, and it seals the leak, and you are now good to go. So all we have to do is turn this on. All right, we got gas. Here you go, Joseph. All right, now you got your torch. This is your valve to turn it on. And long story short, you can just... Sorry, I had shoulder surgery. I gotta use my other hand. If you crank it, you can hear the propane at the other end, right? So we could just turn it on lightly. Use your striker. And of course, I have gloves on. Now you have a blowtorch. Okay? There you go. So what we'd like to do today is we'd like to clean the bunny cage, and there's a lot of ways you can do it. The reason why I got an all metal bunny cage was so that I can take this torch and clean it the easy way. You don't want, when you have a new set of bunnies, you don't want them to get sick from any of the other germs or diseases that might have been in the other bunny cage from the other bunnies. So here's our case that we're going to use this time, and the easiest way to clean it up, here, go ahead and move. I want you to come over here. Is the torch. Okay. Okay, so we just want to make sure we clean up the bottom of the cage. So, just in the interest of time here, I'm just going to do a little bit for demonstration. But as you can see, there's hair, poop, whatever there is down there. You can just burn it right off. You know what I mean? And that's all you have to do to clean it, and then you're ready for your new bunnies. All right, thanks.